most important thing is knowing that you have an entire world inside of you. 50% of our daily life is spent thinking about ourselves. And we might get to 50% thinking about others, but I think we mostly think of ourselves. It's amazing how we try to farm out having our needs met by others so that they take care of us versus us feeling a sense of pride around feeling our feelings, exploring our emotions, and kind of finding the needs that we have underneath all of those. There's these physical sets of needs, emotional sets of needs, and social sets of needs. And the more you start to explore those and what feelings are, where they're hiding in your emotions, the more you can uncover what you actually need. And for a lot of the things in life, you don't actually need other people for your needs to get met. That being said, we absolutely need people. The better you know yourself and the more comfortable you are with what you need, the easier it's going to be for you to release that dependency on others.